Sometimes there's little things about your Tab 400 you may not know. And when you have good friends like we do, we find out some of these tidbits, and I'm going to share them with you in this Take 5 episode of Travels with Delaney. Welcome back, everyone. So when you buy a new trailer, a lot of times there's little features or even some quirks on a trailer that your dealer may not know about or may not share with you. Well, that is the case here in the Tab 400, but luckily we have good friends. And you can have good friends too by visiting the online forum and also the Facebook groups that I talked about in our last Take 5 episode, which I will link here for you. Let's go ahead and start with one of the hidden features of the Tab 400. Most of us know that this is a dinette / extra bed, but did you know that this tab was designed to also feature a couch? Now, initially you would look at it and say that's not going to be very comfortable with the wall, but if you go ahead and remove the back cushions from the dinette and switch them to the opposite side, notice how you now have a complete couch. Add a couple decorative pillows for back support, and instantly you have your home sofa right here in your Tab 400. Another thing I should mention is don't forget that you have a little extra space underneath. It's a great place for you to hide things like that blanket to cuddle up with when it's cool out. Next, let's talk about the blind. Now, this front window sometimes can be a real pain to put up and down. In many cases, you may need to use two hands. But the biggest complaint that I hear is people complaining about the shade wanting to bunch up as you push it down. Well, I've come up with a real simple solution. Go ahead and put your hand in almost like a clam shape. We're going to use it in that shape as we push down slowly, holding the blind in. Issue solved. Oh yeah, speaking of the front window, the blind, and let's throw in the back window. Did you know that if you leave your blinds open while traveling, in many cases you will be able to see from your vehicle while towing all the way through your trailer to the back. That way you'll know if anybody's tailgating you or following you. When you're traveling in your Tab 400, it's a good idea to put the sink in the bathroom in the down position. What we found is the bouncing of the trailer will result in the sink falling while you're traveling. So it's probably best just to go ahead and drop that sink down before you head out, and that way you don't have to worry about it falling down. Next, let's talk about your outdoor shower. Did you know that there are shutoff valves for your outdoor shower? So if you find that your outdoor shower is not working, in your wardrobe, if you lift the panel, you'll see two lines, a hot line and a cold line, and there are shutoff valves. Make sure that the valve is in the parallel position to the line if you want water to go to your outdoor shower. If you're like us, you like it dark when you're trying to sleep. The radio has been a real contentious point with the fact that it gives off light even in the dim mode. But here's a little known tip. If you hold in the dimmer switch, eventually a number will come up and you can use the jog wheel to turn it to 0. Let off and your radio will be completely dark at night, giving you no light for sleeping purposes. Also, if you ever have issues with the push button lock, sometimes we find that they will stick. No worries, don't get rammy. Just simply push on the door or the cupboard and it will release on its own. So there you go, some real simple tricks and hidden features on your Tab 400. I'd like to give a big thank you to Steve and Karen who have shared a lot of these tips with us, and make sure you share this video so we can share them with other 400 owners. If you found some hidden features or special tips or tricks that you use, share them down below in the comments section so other people who watch this video can learn your secrets. Until next time, everybody, we'll see you on down the road. Good night.